every parent, it is so important to get connect with the kids emotionally. When you are emotionally connect with the kids, you get better attached to them. They also get better understand you, and also the vice versa. You also better understand them. So today let's talk about this: how you can get better attached to them psychologically, emotionally, and mentally. Right? So hi, I am Deepika Relan, a life skill coach and a public speaking skill trainer. I tell you today 3 timings when you get emotionally and psychologically get more connected with your kids. Right? So I share these timings, and this is only 10 minutes of time when you get most of them in with you, and you can also add value in their life. So first time is when they wake up. Right? In the morning, when you want them to wake up, you just give them a hug, and with a soft words, with a love, in a lovely tone, you just them to say, please wake up, it's now you have to get ready for the school, and all these things. Right? So this is the right time to get emotionally connect with them, because in the morning the mind is so relaxed. The first thing they get in the morning, they will accept this. And if you shout at them, you are yelling at them, and you are saying why you are sleeping till yet, you don't know that you have to go to school also. When you are saying the negative things to the kids, the emotionally attachment will not be built up. Right? It get detached. So it is very important when in the early morning you going to wake up them, just be a little bit soft with them and hug them so that they get emotionally connect with you. Right? The second thing is second timing is, it's a time of lunch and dinner. Yes, when you all are joining at the dinner table or a lunch table, you just share your thoughts. Yes, when you are sharing your thoughts, your kids also understanding that yes, my parents are facing these things, they are in this situation and all these things. Right? And you can also ask your child to share how was your day, what you have learned in a whole day, what are the things that you are getting into trouble, if there is any. So what happened at this time is, when you are discussing all these things, it shows the care. Yes, when you are also sharing and they also sharing, so it's a bond which will be built up. Right? And the third timing is when you are going to sleep. Yes, it is also important. Whenever you are going to sleep with your child, you just tell a story to your child. You can share any successful story. You can share the value which you want them to add in their life. So while they are sleeping, they recall all the things, because our subconscious mind will work at the time. Right? So take most of this time and it will benefit you. Thank you so much for today.